Okay, so today on Wrenching the Ranchero, we are going to replace the rear shocks on this guy. Yeah, those guys right there. It's not going to be a super hard job, just a little something to fill in the old day off. But yeah, in order to do that, we are going to jack the car up. I'll see if I want to take the wheel off. I might not. We might have enough room to get in there and not. Nah, we'll go ahead and take the wheel off. And it should expose easy. Actually, I'm not even gonna do it. We're just gonna unbolt that guy and pull him out. Okay, so as you can see, we have removed the old shocks in a little bit of an unconventional manner. It kind of rust welded itself there, so we ended up having to bend it and break the old one off. But we get it off in the end. There's bushings and everything. The bushings don't look too terrible. They're still a little warm. The main issue is you can compress this guy with pretty good ease, but yeah, he doesn't go back. This guy, you can compress and it shoots back up. So it works to kind of control the roll and movement in the suspension on the spring, so it doesn't just continually bounce up and down. It's supposed to kind of absorb the shock, hence the name shock absorber. But yeah, so we'll just throw this bad boy on real quick and that'll be job done. Okay, I find the best way to do this is to attach it over the bottom mounting first. Press it down and let it slide itself in, like so. You just have to slide the mountings or the retainers over that bolt. Thread our nut onto it and tighten it down. Okay. Now we just need to mount our upper bushing and we will be, there we go. So there's him. There's him. And finally, we will just thread our bolt down and tighten it down. There you go. Not too shabby. Okay, and that is job done. Oh yeah, that is done wonders. Controlling this back end suspension, used to it would just kind of bounce up and down on a whim, but that's gonna do great work. Alrighty, until next time.